Why do I use a credit card instead of a debit card if I'm like such an advocate for paying off your bills? Simple, credit card gives me some protection. If I have a problem with something I've purchased, I know that the credit card company sort of kind of has my back. I can complain to them and they can help me get the issue resolved. Plus, the credit card company will handle any fraud. That's their job. And it's their money that I'm borrowing, so I'm using that conduit. If I'm using a debit card, it is directly my money, and it's going to be near impossible to get that money back, to argue to get it back, to manage to retrieve it from wherever it's gone to. Now, let me give you an example. A couple years ago, somebody had a card of mine, and they bought they bought an air conditioner unit, a whole bunch of clothes, and some watches. I know, really weird, right? But they bought it all on the credit card that I had. Had they used my debit card, I would have been SOL. But because they used one of my credit cards to buy all that, they'd gotten a hold of the number. I don't know how. Anyways, but because they got the number, then I was able to call up the credit card company and be like, hey, these aren't mine. What the hell is going on? And work with their fraud department to figure it all out. Once we figured it out, then the credit card company took it from there, and I didn't have to pay anything because it wasn't my charges to start with, because somebody was being fraudulent with my account. That's the type of thing that happens all the time. But if it happens with your debit card, you are screwed. It's going to be really, really hard for you to get the money. The money's going to be out of your account. You're not going to be able to retrieve it. And you're going to have to jump through like a million hoops to try to get that money back. But if it's with a credit card company, you have just that little bit of extra layer of protection there to help you out.